So welcome back to Trina's Motivation. Today we are going to take you on the journey how we prepared this potato salad. Very easy, very simple. Let's get into the video. So today we're going to do potato salad in our Vlogmas number 2. Of course we have our potatoes. We make sure you peel them, guys, okay? And then we know we're going to go the easy route, right, Yoga? Right, Goga? We're going to go the easy route. So we put everything, we're going to peel them, dice them, put in some, wash it, and then you're going to put it in a pot. So of course I'm not doing a whole lot. And then my eggs, I'm just using one egg because this is just one potato, medium-sized potato with a tiny one. And I also washed the egg. I'm going to put everything into one pot as you see me do right now. And then we add a little bit of salt for taste. We're going to cover and allow this to cook. Now guys, time to test if our potato is ready, if our potato is cooked. How do you test it, you ask? Okay, you notice how the fork, at that. So when it comes off easy, you know it's ready. Cool. Alright, so this is basically ready. And you know eggs do not take, because you want your eggs to be boiled and you need it to be hard. So once the potato is cooked, then you know chances are your egg is boiled and it's hard. Alright, so then we're going to take off the water and get it ready to add the other ingredients. So let's do that. All right, so here is the potato and the egg. Notice the egg, it's hard. You can see that already. We're gonna cut this into smaller pieces. We have here onion that we're going to grate our onion and put into the potato. Sorry about the lighting, guys, can't avoid it right now. I'm also going to go with just a little bit of margarine. Yes, I'm going to go with a little bit of butter. And of course, we need our mayonnaise. So let's add just a little bit of butter. So there we go. It's not a lot, just a small amount. What it does, it's going to melt because the heat is coming off the potato. The butter will melt. I want you to take a look at it. Notice, see? Because of the heat. To this we are going to grate the onion, because I don't want to be tasting no onion, but you know the onion gives it a nice flavor, right? So we're going to grate the onion. All right guys, I want you to look at this, right? Notice that. So when you put this in, this is a grated onion, right? You do it this way, you will just taste the flavor of the onion, and it gives it a nice taste. So hence the reason I prefer to grate my onion. Some person dice it. I don't dice it, I just grate it. That's how I do it. All right, so now we have added the butter, we have added the onion. You can't even see anything like an onion, right? Everything coming together nicely. We're now going to be adding our eggs. Once we do that, you can now start mixing everything together. All right, the final thing we're going to go in with is our meal. So let's add the meal. For heaven's sake, guys, please don't go in with a whole lot of meal, okay? Sometimes you eat some person's mashed potato, and let me tell you, it is like it's just meal tasting. You're tasting not egg. It's like you hardly tasting any potato. You just want to combine everything together nicely. You can add to this, you can add your sweet corn, you can add mixed vegetable. I would prefer to just add sweet corn, but for my family's sake, well, I'll just go ahead with it like this. But you can add sweet corn, you can add black pepper and stuff like that. I'm not going to add anything else together with this. So I'll just mix it up and show you the final in a bit. So this is the finished product, guys. Let me tell you, this is amazing. To recap, you just need some potatoes, you need egg, you need your meal, and just some onions. Grate your onions and add to it. You don't need all the other fancy stuff. Those are actually optional for me. And you will enjoy it. Your family will enjoy it, I promise. So you don't have to always go the expensive way. Remember, you can add sweet corn, you can add mixed vegetable, whatever you have in the kitchen. Remember to always be you. All right, so hit that like button if you love the finished product, guys. And we're also going to show you what we paired this mashed potato with for our Sunday dinner. Check it out. This is it, guys. Our sweet and sour jerk chicken. You want to hit on the video next to see how we made this amazing sweet and sour jerk chicken. It's the first time actually hearing. You can also enjoy our rice and peas recipe as well. Bye, guys. Until the next one.